If your business is struggling to keep track of leads and sales, Close CRM might be an option to consider. Most people get this wrong. They assume all CRMs are the same, but the surprising truth is that Close CRM is specifically built for small to medium sales teams that rely heavily on calling and email outreach. Close CRM centralizes all communication with prospects in one place. It features built-in calling, SMS, and email capabilities, meaning you don't need separate tools for outreach. One standout feature is the predictive dialer, which helps sales reps connect with more leads efficiently by automatically dialing multiple numbers and skipping busy signals or voicemail. Another major advantage is pipeline management. Close CRM makes it simple to track deals, set reminders, and visualize your sales stages. You can see which deals are hot, which need follow-up, and which are at risk of slipping through the cracks. The platform also integrates with tools like Slack, Zapier, and HubSpot, making it easier to connect with the systems your team already uses. Reporting is straightforward and actionable, helping managers monitor team performance and conversion rates. On the downside, Close CRM is not ideal for large teams that need advanced customization or for businesses that rely heavily on marketing automation. It's focused primarily on inside sales, so if your team uses complex workflows, you might find it limiting. Pricing is on the higher side for small teams, but you're paying for the integrated calling and email features. In conclusion, Close CRM is a strong choice for sales-driven teams that want to centralize outreach and improve productivity. If your goal is to close more deals with fewer tools, it's worth considering. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest CRM reviews and insights to grow your business efficiently.